Let's see how to list all Microsoft Word commands automatically. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, Microsoft Word has a lot of different shortcuts and commands that you can use to accelerate your working process. And to see or to view all of those commands, what you can do is first off, click on the View tab. And from here, look for macros. And when you click on that, this window will pop up and look for macros in word commands. And from here, this list will automatically pop up and search for the macro name list commands right there. Now click on run and click on OK, current keyboard settings. And as you can see, Microsoft Word will automatically print all of those commands into your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.